Good day, team. Welcome to another market update edition that we look at the overview of the week and hopefully see how BTC is going to perform in the coming week. It was quite impressive performance for the last week. So let's start on the weekly, as we are about to close off. We 3 hours before we basically close the weekly candle week, the weekly candle, and as you can see, it was a good performance indeed for the week. Well, as I said, we're gonna clock in the all-time high definitely this week, and it just happened because there was no way we broke obviously above the daily trend line that was going on in this sort of consolidation here, and we just shot up after that. So yeah, definitely that was gonna and happen. It was bound to happen. So we are looking at about 120 to 130 at the moment, but yeah, we might have some obviously retracement. So let's see how our day will close like. So if we look at our daily, so this was Friday, and then we had Saturday that was sort of a consolidation, and obviously it gave us this momentum for today with some good fundamental as well. But of course we might have a retracement, because since we actually broke out, we never had retracement, and we might expect a little bit of that, not too much. I don't expect anything below this, but yeah, I think a good retracement will come in. Obviously we will close in that range, I guess, because I mean we only have 3 hours to go, and for us we have maybe a bounce off from there if it just a little bit of retracement to basically give another good momentum. So we have that fair value gap that might attract the market to obviously to come and bounce off again, so that we continue our journey. But like I said, from here I don't think there's anything that is gonna stop basically the market from doing what it has to do now. I think the season is just basically about to kick off, and if we can look at I hope my network will be quick enough so that we can just look at basically the magnets in the market, where we have a lot of liquidity in the market at the moment. As far as BTC is concerned, you'll be able to see that yeah, the market is basically ready to just shoot up. Yeah, we have a little bit of it in the range of 17.9 18k, but look at here, 120.34 around. There's another magnet up there. I'm not sure if the market will come back for this 117.9. You see why I was saying I don't foresee a deep retracement. Basically okay, so around there. So basically yeah, a deep retracement is not gonna happen anytime soon. As you can see, the weekend gave us a good consolidation, and for most of the time, if you see that the market was doing this, a good consolidation is basically just giving you a good momentum again. So, and that was what was happening in the weekend basically. So the 117.9 that is being a magnet at the moment is basically that area there, around basically this area, which is still fine because basically just coming to retest the breakout, and that is okay. Another one is the 120 around this area here. So the market can either decide, are we coming this deep, or are we first gonna tap there and then come back for this. And also it's basically coinciding with the fair value gap that is just above the breakout basically. So yeah, the market is good, trading is good, especially on the altcoins. Obviously this is the best time to trade because most of the time you only have one direction. If you don't have, if when the market is retracing, I would advise people don't trade because you don't know how deep it's gonna you're gonna basically retrace it. We don't short the market when the market is pushing up. Definitely it's a mistake to short it because the retracement doesn't go that deep when the market is in the bull market. So try as much as possible. If you see you've reached the top, you take your profit, you wait for the retracement, and obviously mark out your structures, and then you basically jump in onto the structures. So yeah, that's all I have for this week. All I can say is for me at the moment, I have 120, 130 in the bag. And then we see a retracement. I'm not sure how deep is that going to be. But retracement obviously are healthy for the market. And then, yeah, the market takes off again. The analysts are looking at 150 or not even 150. Some of them are talking about 200k to between 200k and 300k as a target for the bull market. So yeah, let's see.